Guys, welcome back to my channel A for Ida Learning and Fun. So today we're gonna be making squishies, so ignore the mess. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you haven't liked, then hit the subscribe button and give it a big like. So let's get into the video. The things you will be needing: some papers, then a tape, marker to trace it out. Then if you have scissors, you need scissors. And make sure you have parents' permission to have scissors. So let's get to making. So what I was filming, and we are Bangladesh, so I talk Bangla, but I just want to be an English talker. So ignore the voice. Okay, so I have this geometry box and I have paper. So let me get a piece of paper. Got a page. So I was filming a video that suddenly got cut. So I'm gonna fold it in hamburger. So here. So today we're gonna be making a donut. So let me do the shape. Okay, I got the donut shape. It's really good. So I'm gonna color it. Before I color it, I add a face. So let's get to coloring. So I painted it and I painted it back. So time for a cut. Before I cut it, this one put a space for the plastic bag, fluff, or anything you put to make it squishy. You have to get some space for it. So let's go cut it. I cut it. So let's tape it. So before you tape it, you just have to cut these pieces. So let's do it. Okay. We're done cutting it and taping it. So, if you know this is the fluff that's gonna go in. So I'm just gonna fill it up. Make sure to put little by little. So if you overfill, it's gonna be stiff. If you put too little, it's not gonna squish. So if you have to put little by little, okay? So I have filled it. So I'm gonna tape it. So I'll be right back. I'm back. So this is the final result. And have you watched this channel, go watch it right now. So thanks for watching. Bye.